Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. Nayab Saini set to take over as 12th Chief Minister of Haryana. Meets President, PM and key BJP leaders in Delhi, oath taking likely on the Sahara. Nayab Singh Saini, poised to take over as the next Chief Minister of Haryana, met President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi on Wednesday. The meeting marks the commencement of his transition into office, with the oath taking ceremony anticipated to take place shortly after the Saini's ascension to the chief ministerial position comes after the party declared him the candidate well ahead of three election announcement, demonstrating their confidence in his leadership. His discussions with Prime Minister Modi were particularly notable as they took place in light of the BJP's remarkable performance in the Haryana Assembly polls, where the party secured an unprecedented third term with 48 seats, effectively questioning Congress' attempts to reclaim power in the state. The BJP's victory was particularly striking given the exit polls, which had projected a comfortable win for the Congress party. The election results reflect the BJP's continued dominance in Haryana and the successful implementation of its political strategy, allowing Saini to take the helm during this critical phase. While in Delhi, Saini engaged with senior BJP leadership, including Union Ministers Amit Shah, JP Nadda, Manohar Lal, and Dharmendra Pradhan, the party's election in charge for Haryana. These meetings are believed to have included discussions about Saini's new cabinet and the logistics of the upcoming oath ceremony. As Saini prepares to assume his role, the praise for ministerial positions in his cabinet is already underway, with numerous aspirants congratulating in Delhi to lobby for key post. Reports indicate that Union Minister Rao Indrajit is advocating for a cabinet position for his daughter Aarti Rao, who tramped in the Atali constituency. Similarly, Rajya Sabha MP Kiran Chaudhary is reportedly seeking a role for her daughter Saruti Chaudhary, who won from Tosam. Additionally, the BJP is expected to include fresh faces, particularly from the Ahirwal region, which produced a significant number of seats for the party. Party insiders suggest that senior leaders such as Anil Bij, Arvind Sharma, Krishna Pawar Rao, Narveer Singh, Ghanshyam Das Arora, Vipul Goyal, and Krishna Midda are among the front runner vying for inclusion in the new cabinet. As the excitement builds around Saini's anticipated leadership, the focus will be on how he navigates the internal dynamics of the party while also addressing the expectations of the electorate, who have entrusted him with the responsibility of governance in Haryana. Thank you guys for watching this.